You may not realize it, but the cooking oil you use is a crucial player in your culinary adventures. Imagine preparing a meal without cooking oil. Difficult, isn't it? That's because this seemingly simple ingredient plays a pivotal role in our diet. It not only enhances the flavor of our food, but it's a must-have for many cooking processes. Think of frying, sautéing, or roasting. None of these can happen without a good dollop of oil. But the role of cooking oil extends beyond the kitchen. It also contributes to our overall health. Yes, you heard it right. Some oils are packed with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that our bodies need to function optimally. So it's not just about splashing some oil into a pan, it's about understanding what that oil brings to your table and to your body. With that in mind, choosing the right cooking oil can make a world of difference to your dishes and your health. First on our list is olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean kitchens. Olive oil is like liquid gold in these sun-kissed regions, and it's not just for its rich, distinctive flavor that it's so highly prized. Olive oil boasts a plethora of health benefits that make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Chief among these benefits are the heart-healthy monosaturated fats. These good fats play a vital role in lowering harmful cholesterol levels while increasing the good cholesterol. But the magic of olive oil doesn't stop at heart health. It's a versatile player in the kitchen too. From lending a robust depth to dressings to giving your sautés that extra edge, olive oil is a real kitchen all-rounder. Whether you're whipping up a simple vinaigrette or sautéing veggies for a hearty dinner, olive oil is your trusty companion. So, for a taste of the Mediterranean and a health boost, olive oil is a great choice. Next up, we have canola oil, a versatile player in the kitchen. This oil's mild flavor makes it a chameleon in your culinary endeavors, blending seamlessly into your dishes without overpowering them. Its high smoke point makes it a reliable companion for everything from sautéing vegetables to deep frying. But the real star of the show is its balanced fatty acid profile, offering a healthy mix of monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, and saturated fats. If you're looking for a go-to oil for all your cooking needs, canola oil fits the bill. Now, let's dive into the tropical world of coconut oil. This versatile oil, often hailed as a superfood, is a staple in many kitchens around the world. With its unique flavor profile, coconut oil can transform the taste of a dish, adding a hint of the tropics to your culinary creations. But it's not just about taste. Coconut oil is high in saturated fats, a type of fat that has long been debated in the health community. Despite the controversy, recent studies suggest that not all saturated fats are created equal. The type found in coconut oil, known as medium-chain triglycerides, may actually have several health benefits. For instance, it's been suggested that these fats could help increase levels of good cholesterol in your body, potentially promoting heart health. While more research is needed, these potential benefits certainly make coconut oil a topic of interest for health-conscious cooks and food lovers alike. For a tropical twist and potential health perks, coconut oil is worth considering. Last but not least, we have avocado oil, the health enthusiast's favorite. This gem is renowned for its buttery taste that enhances the flavor profile of any dish it graces. But don't be fooled by its delectable taste, as avocado oil packs a serious health punch. It boasts a high smoke point, making it a fantastic choice for high-heat cooking techniques like sautéing, roasting, or even deep frying. This means you can whip up your favorite dishes without worrying about the oil breaking down and releasing harmful compounds. But what truly sets avocado oil apart is its richness in heart-healthy monosaturated fats and antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to a healthier heart, glowing skin, and even an enhanced immune system. So, not only does it make your dishes taste better, but it also supports your well-being. If you're after a health-boosting, high-heat suitable oil, avocado oil could be your new kitchen companion. There you have it, 5 fantastic cooking oils to consider for your culinary creations. From the Mediterranean secret olive oil to the versatile canola oil, the tropical superfood coconut oil, and the health enthusiasts' picks of avocado and flaxseed oils. Each brings unique flavors and health benefits to your kitchen. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find your favorite. Remember, the right oil can elevate your dishes and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. So, choose wisely and happy cooking.